Hello, everyone. I'm Nicholas Bowles, Director of Sales at SurePoint Ag, and I'm excited to announce SurePoint University. SurePoint University is the name of our in-person training and our online training. The in-person training is something that we've been doing for several years and done a great job of bringing in our dealership network in the winter and running you guys through some advanced in-person training. The online training is new this year. It's something that we're excited about. Our goal was to take the classroom part of that in-person training and create some online content that could have available year-round. Going forward, some of that online training will be required to attend the in-person training. Our vision for SurePoint University is to create an environment where we can onboard new SurePoint dealers easier than we have in the past. We want to give them access to information about our products on day one, both how to sell that product and how to support that product. We also want to help you existing SurePoint dealers out there to bring on new employees at your dealerships quicker than you have in the past. We will have that content available for your new hires at your dealerships. We also want to create a way where we can roll out new products and give you guys the information on how to sell and support those new products. Our goal is to engage both your sales and your support teams at your dealerships and give you guys the tools to both sell and support those products. The folks from your dealerships that it should take and attend online training from SurePoint University is your sales staff. We want to give you guys that sales information. We want to give you guys both some high-level sales content with some bullet points to help you guys sell, plus some in-depth technical type sales information that will take you guys to the next level when selling SurePoint products. We also want to work with both your support service technicians and your precision ag specialists. We want those guys to be able to both sell and support those products. And in the future, our plan is to have both some marketing and advertising information in here as well that your marketing teams could take advantage of. Like I said before, some of the in-person training will have a prerequisite to attend some online training before you can come. And the reason we decided to do that with some classes is because every winter we offer these in-person trainings. And out of every class, we always get feedback that says, this class was below what I already knew. I wish it was more advanced. And in the same class, we'll get the same feedback that says, this class was way over my head. I wish it was more simple. And so our goal is to get everybody on the same page when they attend that in-person training. That way we can really do some advanced type in-person training. So that's the reason why we're going to make it the prerequisite for some of our advanced in-person training. Also, we would like to equip your dealership staff to help better support your dealership's customers going forward. We want to make sure that they have the tools to handle those SurePoint products, both in a sales and support scenario. Tier 3 support. Once you've attended some SurePoint University online classes and then went through that in-person training, you will receive a Tier 3 support phone passcode. And when you call our office, you type in that passcode, and that's going to get you to a person faster than you would if you just called our regular 800 hotline. Also, year-round access to training was also very important to us. Every year we onboard new dealers a few weeks after we have our winter training session, and those dealers would have to wait almost 10 months or more before they would have the opportunity to go to training again. Now we can onboard new dealers and give them access to training year-round. Today, we have several learning paths inside of SurePoint University's online content. First, we've taken the time to develop some sales training. Inside that sales training, we have application systems, and that's going to have information about our liquid application, anhydrous ammonia application, and dry application. We're also going to have some learning path around our spray tender product line. So quick draw and everything inside of spray tender, there's a learning path to help you sell that product. Also new is planning and seeding systems. We have some content online that'll help you both on the sales and support side handle planting and seeding systems, a new product line from SurePoint Ag. In the future, we'll be rolling out content for irrigation injection, both sales and support. as well as support trainings for application system, spray tender, and planting and seeding systems. Also, something that we're working on is that marketing content that I mentioned before, and installation. Our installation teams have been recording short videos to show you guys how to install certain components at your dealership. Once you've completed some of the online training that we've talked about, you'll be able to register for that more advanced support training. In the future, there'll be some in-person sales training that you'll be able to request, as well as some installation training as well. Here, real quick, I want to give you guys a quick demo on how to get signed up for SurePoint University's online content. First, go to our website, SurePointAg.com. And on that page, you're going to look up in the top right corner and you're going to see a button that says Dealer Toolbox. A Dealer Toolbox is the page where we've created to gives all of our dealers the tools necessary to be a great SurePoint dealer. Go ahead and click on that Dealer Toolbox button and scroll down to where you see SurePoint University. Once you click on SurePoint University, this page is going to explain all of our training opportunities that we have available. So once you're on this page, you see the short, brief online form. I want you guys to fill that form out. During that, when you're working on filling out that form, make sure you check the learning paths that you're interested in, whether that be application systems, spray tendering. Go ahead and check those, and that's going to be the content that we assign to you. Once this form is completed, you will receive an email with more instructions from SurePoint Ag. And in those instructions is going to give you information how to log into SurePoint University. Make sure you keep that website address and your username and password. That way you can get logged back in as we create more content. You'll note once you're in the training class area, there's going to be some classes that are video-based. Others are going to be slide decks, and it's just going to depend on the content that we put together. All the classes are going to have a few questions at the end that will make sure that you went through the class and understood the content that was delivered. I hope you enjoyed our time here today, and I really appreciate you guys joining me here, and I hope to see you guys logged in the near future.